Plant FAQs, Begonia Fedor. The allure of the Begonia Fedor, a plant parent's guide. Few houseplants boast the captivating beauty of the Begonia Fedor. Its mesmerizing foliage, a tapestry of silver, green, and deep red veins, adds a touch of drama to any indoor space. But beyond its stunning looks, the Begonia Fedor is surprisingly easy to care for, making it ideal for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and curious beginners like myself, Ferb. Having fallen under the spell of this captivating begonia myself, I decided to delve deeper into its needs and share the knowledge I've gathered. This guide will answer all your burning questions about the Begonia Fedor, from proper care to propagation, ensuring your leafy companion thrives for years to come. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. Unveiling the Begonia Fedor, a look at its origins and characteristics. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of care, let's appreciate the unique qualities of this begonia. The Begonia Fedor belongs to the Rex begonia family, renowned for their captivating foliage. This particular variety boasts large, textured leaves with a light green base adorned with darker green veins. The veins often stand out dramatically, creating a visually striking contrast. A deep red petiole, the stalk that holds the leaf, adds another layer of visual interest. As a native to tropical regions, the Begonia Fedor thrives in warm, humid environments. How to care for a Begonia Fedor? Now that we've admired its beauty, let's get down to business. How to keep your Begonia Fedor flourishing. Here are some key aspects to consider. Light. While the Begonia Fedor appreciates bright, indirect light, avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch its delicate leaves. A well-lit room with filtered light or a spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Watering. The key to a happy Begonia Fedor is finding the balance between keeping it hydrated and avoiding overwatering. The best approach is to water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Allowing the excess water to drain freely is crucial to prevent root rot. Humidity. As a tropical native, the Begonia Fedor thrives in moderate to high humidity. Grouping your Begonia Fedor with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Temperature. Aim for consistent temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations and drafts, which can stress the plant. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied every 2 to 4 weeks can give your Begonia Fedor a nutrient boost. However, ease off fertilizing during the winter months when growth slows. How to propagate Begonia Fedor. Sharing the beauty of your Begonia Fedor is easy with propagation. Here are 2 common methods. Leaf cuttings. Select a healthy, mature leaf, cut it at the base of the petiole, and plant it in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect light. New growth should emerge from the base of the petiole in a few weeks. Stem cuttings. Cut a healthy stem section with at least 2 nodes, the bumps where leaves grow. Remove the lower leaves and plant the stem in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect light. New roots should develop from the nodes within a few weeks. Begonia Fedor, a plant pairing paradise. The Begonia Fedor's stunning foliage makes it a versatile choice for pairing with other houseplants. Here are a few suggestions. Air plants. These low-maintenance beauties share similar humidity needs and can add a whimsical touch to your arrangement. Ferns. Their feathery foliage creates a lovely contrast to the Begonia Fedor's bold leaves. African violets. Their vibrant blooms add a pop of color alongside the Begonia Fedor's captivating foliage. Troubleshooting tips. Addressing common Begonia Fedor issues. Even with the best care, occasional issues can arise. Here's how to address some common problems. Brown leaf tips. This is often a sign of underwatering. Increase watering frequency while ensuring proper drainage. Pale leaves. This could indicate insufficient light. Consider moving your Begonia Fedor to a brighter location with indirect light. Drooping leaves. Overwatering is the most likely culprit. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Conclusion. A rewarding relationship with the Begonia Fedor. With its captivating beauty and surprisingly manageable needs, The Begonia Fedor is a true gem for any plant enthusiast. By following these simple care tips and addressing any potential issues promptly, you can cultivate a thriving Begonia Fedor that will grace your home for years to come. The satisfaction of nurturing this unique plant and witnessing its vibrant foliage flourish is a truly rewarding experience. So, embrace the challenge and embark on a journey of plant parenthood with the captivating Begonia Fedor by your side.